Bersyukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Stop your feet.
Stop.
Continue, sir. The legislators and 2 or 3 representatives, sir. The
Kata
party.
kalau insight teh,
Sir.
tentang ini ya, ang tu pemohon yang teh. Ada bisa pang ni tengin menyak ini. Baik kanung gitu.
So section
Sebab adalah
144, sir.
swell teh kalau unlawful teh. Kalau ada explain iki pakai imposition of section 144 CRPC kalau unlawful. Because Supreme Court ruling 1965 has spelled out very clearly.
Sir.
You cannot invoke section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances.
Sir.
So you are just, contempt the court. The ruling is contempt of court. The order of the deputy commissioner. And we know well what is section 144 CRPC. I've explained to them. It was mentioned in chapter 10, part C. This section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have you apprehended that we will create any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there. We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then we will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go. Not this.
Sir.
You apply your mind, you know that we know the law. We are a lawmaker, we are not going to violate law. I told the police, if you have sufficient inputs that we are going to create any trouble,
Sir.
you can put us, you can apply MPDA, you can arrest us under preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression of protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it.
No, sir, nothing like that, sir. We always negotiate, sir. That's
So
the
which
purpose
is
of
why
us
I'm
being
telling
here,
them,
sir.
allow us, we will go. Then we will decide how many of us will go. Because we know that all of us will not
So
go
where
inside.
exactly, sir?
We can go in.
Hey, sir, exactly.
We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. So if you are stuck here, we will not go.
No, we will.
We are patient enough,
Sir.
like what we did last time.
Sir.
We protested in the main secretariat and
Yes,
we
sir.
feel that the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner, no?
Sir.
Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the court because if we go to the court, your political master will not face a problem. You will face a problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we don't want to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly. And if we file a case, you the officers will have to go, not these bloody political masters.
So if you can decide on a place, sir, you can let me know, sir.
The more convenient place, you know.
Where, sir?
Ini yang ni, ini salah was ini.
Hey, good, sir. Hey.
Kan yang ni, kalau kejaga ka betul.
Additional, sir. Pakilwan. I'll just have a word, sir. Get back to you, sir.
Kalau yang kalau fundamental rights dong, ang song sa India, ang protest, yang peaceful.
Come down ke justification.
Hello,
Kalau unlawful,
hello,
kalau kata ke contempt of court.
hello, hello, hello. You don't biasa.